In this video I will show you how to watch live football matches. Just to mention, this is going to work on almost all devices. First of all, open up your browser on your phone and search up Sky Sports. Now you need to press on the first one. By pressing on it, you should go to this website. Now you have to click on the three lines in the top right corner. This menu should show up. From here you need to click on Sports. As you can see, you can also watch a lot of other sports. But you want to watch football, so you need to click on that. Now you have to scroll down until you see Live on Sky. This will show you some upcoming matches that you can watch. For example, if you want to watch Man City Wolves, you need to press on it. Now you only need a subscription to Sky Sports. You can do this by pressing on Get a Now Sports Membership. It should open up this page. Now you need to click on View More Sports Plans. And from here you can subscribe to a membership. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.